Alright, here we are so far. I got my fence posts in, which are actually like garden timbers or whatever, but they'll work. I stretched some wire on it, used the mule to pull the wire down there from one end. I stapled it on, and then I pulled the wire and then just came stapling each one down the line, keep it taut. I cut them all at 4 feet. Now I'm going to throw some extra. I got a bunch of these 2x6s from a place I used to work at. I'm going to throw all these on there, and some, maybe one down at the bottom, one in the middle, one at the top. I don't know. I'm about to figure out how I'm going to do that, but it's where we are so far. This is what I got so far. I put a top board on about 4 foot up. I came down 7 inches. I used these little blocks I got like on the ground there to, go 7 inches down. I'm only like not even halfway done. I started doing the bottom board. I was going to do 4 down like the horse fencing, but we're going to have goats and pigs and stuff in here, so with that wire mesh fence there, I won't have to put a board in the middle, and I think it looks pretty good like this anyway. So that'll keep the pigs from, if they're messing with the bottom or anything, that bottom board will be there, and all the mesh should be good. So I think it'll look solid. I didn't have enough boards, or maybe I would have a 4th one there. That would look good, but maybe we'll put that somewhere else on the property. But as far as now, this is how it's going. This is what it's going to look like all the way finished. So I got a little piece there that's 7 inches I put right there so I can get my gap, and then I got a 22-inch piece right there to get this bottom gap, just to try to keep everything, solid, good spacing, and not look like junk or anything like that. But here we are so far. Alright, here we are towards the end of the day. I got it all finished. Got the 3 boards on there. Well, I got this section finished, but got the 3 boards on there. This is all junk wood I had. Like I said, I would have done the 4th board, but it looks pretty good like that. We're going to have pigs in there. They'll be able to see us or whatnot. But turned out pretty good, this section. I came around over here and built a little section to go up against this little red barn deal here. That way we can put a doorway in right here. Put a doorway in, and then I got to cut that, obviously, but I just put that in the cement, or mixed all that today, so those should help hold it straight and whatnot. But there it is. Looks pretty good, I think so. But anyway, this is just a cheap do-it-yourself build a fence for the livestock. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.